Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 of the best women's lunch bags in 2024 that I've been loving lately. Let's start with this adorable bunny printed lunch bag. It is both practical and cute. The insulated lining keeps your food fresh, while the leak-proof design and waterproof material prevent spills and messes. Made from washable cotton linen, it's easy to clean. It's spacious enough for your lunch essentials and features a handle for comfortable carrying. Perfect for adults and teens, this lunch bag is ideal for school, work, picnics, or beach trips, adding a touch of fun to your day. Next, we have this user-friendly lunch bag boasts double zippers for easy access, keeping your meals and drinks organized. It also features additional pockets for smaller items and a foldable cooler section. The soft-sided design collapses for easy storage, making it perfect for busy adults or students on the go. Another bag that I love is this portable lunch bag is perfect for office workers or outdoor picnics. Made from water-resistant Oxford cloth, it's easy to clean and built to last. The thickened aluminum foil lining keeps food fresh, while the spacious design offers plenty of room for your lunch essentials. It's a practical and convenient choice for anyone who needs to pack their lunch on the go. Next up, we have this charming floral print lunch bag that is both functional and stylish. Made from stain-resistant nylon, it's easy to keep clean and features a secure zipper closure. The insulated lining keeps your food fresh, while the fixed shoulder straps offer comfortable carrying. This versatile bag is perfect for office workers and anyone who wants to add a touch of personality to their lunch routine. The included clutch is a bonus for storing napkins, utensils, or other small items. Last but not least, we have this functional lunch bag that keeps your food fresh all day. Made from waterproof PT material, it's easy to clean and comes with a leak-proof design. The insulated lining and square shape offer ample space for your lunch, while the shoulder strap makes it convenient to carry. Perfect for office workers, students, or anyone on the go, this versatile bag is also great for picnics, beach trips, or even grocery shopping. So that is for today's video, a roundup of the top 5 women's lunch bags that are trending for 2024. Whether you prioritize durability, style, luxury, or functionality, there's something here for everyone. Check the description for links to each product, and happy shopping!